Industry engagement is one of the top priority for me as someone from the industry. So today I very much appreciate all effort we are organizing today's workshop and contributing to this discussion today.
Very delighted to having taken part today at the ITUT workshop on industry engagement. So we value very much the opportunity that the TSP director gave us to share our feedback on where ITU is, what is strong, and where we think we should be evolving to strengthen the relevance.
Today I think it's really important for all the partners for ITU, and even with some members, they are not the member of ITU to be here to talk about how to engage into the ITU activities. So for Huawei, I think the very important thing is the technical trend for digitalization, for green, and for the intelligence. And we need to work together for a better intelligent world, for a better collaborated world.
What I like in the ITU is that this is basically the only place where we have all the stakeholders together, right? And for me, the most important role here for the ITU is the bridge between the four stakeholders: member states, administrations, business, academia, and civil society.
ITUT is the only SDOs that is developing end-to-end standards that are very important to telecommunication operators like Verizon.
ITU is the premier standards body that enables industry and government and regulators to come together to produce the core infrastructure standards that are needed to drive everything that we do.
ITU is really good at our telecommunication area for the standards, and for wireless, for network, and even for the future advanced technologies such as AI and many other areas.
Verizon has benefited greatly from ITUT standards. ITUT standards have enabled Verizon's network deployment.
The issue is that we are facing many concerns and requirements that are very conflictual with each other on how we need to deliver this technology. We see that with AI, there's the ethics problem on AI, there's cybersecurity problems with AI and others. And we need to get all the parties to be together to make sure we deliver standards that can help create and shape the market for making available the right solution at the right price for the people.
There are new emerging areas, so where we are excited that the ITU has been working on AI, and we are committed to work on that, AI for good. The areas on sustainability are certainly important. And what we see, of course, the new technical area where the ITU can play a role is quantum safe networking. Important for us is equally that ITU is the global bedrock in the standardization landscape and endorses work which is done elsewhere technically.
With the advent of this upcoming hyper-connected edge, where we marry the physical world with the digital world, we need a lot of standards to make all of this work and to enable our lives to be more secure and to be better.